Reality check, man, from a year device, you know, it's Aromatic Realistic TV. Anyway, people, you see, tonight, without any further ado, we're not even come here so for waste any time. We are jumping to this investment company, SSI, Stock and Security Limited of Jamaica. And who is in the hot seat tonight? Jane Pantan. She take full responsibility for the 1.2 billion that is missing from this investment company. 1.2 billion that is missing without no trace. Nobody don't know where it gone. So this lady now, Miss Pantan, give a statement, and the statement that she give is that, you know, she used the money for her mother, you know, medical. Her mother must be sick or something. But be true to herself. If her mom is sick, it simply means that probably her mom wants about 10 heart, 20 kidney, and 30 liver. Right? We are not talking about $1 million in our 2 million or 3, you know. We are talking about the B figures. 1.2 billion. To fix your mother health care. 1.2 billion. No. We have to take these things to consideration that they're just using this lady as a scapegoat. You know that, I know that. We are not stupid. There is a lot of big players in this scheme. But somebody have to come out and take the responsibility for it. And that is what she is doing. And also, you know, don't be surprised, you know, if her life is threatened, you know. And also, don't be surprised as well that her entirely family life not at risk right now. Because if she go out there go talk what she not supposed to talk, a hell and powder house. Somebody have to be the sacrificial lamb, and she is, because the big wig, the Iraqis who are at the top of this chain, because it's a chain, you know, brother. And I know one or none two-man thing this, you know. It's a collective group of people. You understand? But somebody on the lower rank down have to take responsibility. So this lady is taking the responsibility. Now, the little youth them out there in Jamaica, where they say them a chopper, them say the youth them a chopper, a scammer. And you have Mocha and all of these groups out there after the youth them. Youth them a scammer. But take into consideration, you know, that the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Wallace, it's alleged, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Wallace, is a more bigger scammer than the little youth them out there. Jamaican people, I always say to you guys, stop focus on the branches. The branches is just for distraction. Let us pay more attention on the root cause of the problem. And the root cause of this problem is the government of Jamaica and the people who they associate themselves with. Corruption. That's where the problem is. Don't get distracted. We are looking at the root cause of the problem, and the root cause of the problem is the government of Jamaica. How can this be? $1.2 billion missing without no trace. Nobody don't know where it gone. And this is the reason. And as I make my case, why I say the Prime Minister of Jamaica is a bigger scammer than the little youth them out there. Why them say a scam and a chap. And I will make my case. Andrew Holness becomes Prime Minister of Jamaica 2016. He rushed off to St. Lucia. And what he do in 2016? He buy a property in St. Lucia in 2016. It did not stop there. He also start up business in St. Lucia in 2016. And not just that, he also start up an offshore account in St. Lucia in 2016. What's an offshore account? Just let me explain to you what is an offshore account. It allows you to make and receive payments. It allows an individual to make and receive payments. It also gives that individual access to lots of money. See, it not just stop there, and it also gives that person the opportunity to set up savings and investment account. So it gives the Prime Minister the opportunity to set up savings and investment account. Now, as a public figure and the Prime Minister of Jamaica, you have to ask yourself why the Prime Minister of Jamaica see it fit to have an offshore account. Knowing that an offshore account is a safe haven for criminal activities. Let I repeat myself. Knowing that an offshore account, it's a safe haven for criminal activities. Now I'm talking about money laundering. So you see when the people them say the Prime Minister have how much chuck down my backside, they draw mud and they draw dirt. Them money there. Laundry. St. Lucia. You see them big cocaine fine there. Them bus there where they come through and them thing there. When them thing they no bus, them big Mexico plane they were landing in Jamaica. And nobody can give account for them. Them money there, the laundry. St. Lucia. And one could also say the 1.2 billion that is missing now, seen from them 40 individual the account, including Usain Bolt. That 1.2 billion can also in the Prime Minister's account in St. Lucia. Eh? What's a safe havens? A place of refuge or security. Safe haven. A place of refuge or security. Your money is secure. The money that is missing in Jamaica, this $1.2 billion that is now missing in Jamaica, that is illegal. In St. Lucia, it is not. What did I say? It is not. Reason for the Prime Minister, the government of St. Lucia have rules and laws in place to do what? Protect every member or every bank account holder, their privacy. The government of St. Lucia have rules and laws in place protect every customer privacy. So not even the great United States can go to St. Lucia go investigate nothing. Not even the Great Britain can go a St. Lucia go investigate nothing. Nobody can go down there go investigate nothing. It's blank. It's dead. Because what? It's a safe haven for criminal activities. If you are a public figure, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the people of Jamaica put you there to work and to serve on their behalf. Why you think it is right for you as a public figure to go in St. Lucia and set up an offshore account where you can make payment and receive money? Conflict of interest, brother. Where people do money laundering on a daily basis. That's where you choose as the Prime Minister to go and set up an offshore account in St. Lucia. And then I come tell me now, so the little youth them down at Jamaica, one of they use and they throw out there to the Jamaican people as distraction. People wanna stop watch the little youth them out there. We not say what the little youth them out there, the little youth them out there they do. They do what is right or what is wrong. That is not my responsibility. Every man to their opinion, every man to their sin, every wheat and tails. Until the day of harvest, every man have to give account for him sin. So one man want to do a film business. Who is me if you tell a man what to do from what not to do? But you want to use them as scapegoat. While the main cause of the problem is the corrupted government who allowing these investing firms to come in Jamaica and rip off the Jamaican people because they are aligned with it. They're a part of it. They are getting their cut. Because as I said before, if you have an offshore account that is protected by the St. Lucia government, right? So you can transfer and wire any amount of money into that account. So that $1.2 billion that is missing now can in the Prime Minister account in St. Lucia. No fire without a smoke. 2016, after the Prime Minister becomes to power, the Prime Minister purchased a property in St. Lucia. The Prime Minister start a business in St. Lucia. The Prime Minister have an offshore account in St. Lucia. An account that deal with what? Criminal activities. Safe events for criminal. And then you don't want to look on we and tell us the youth them of Jamaica. Scammer and this and that. Some man no grudge, you no grudge youth them. Because you don't expect the youth them to drive certain kind of car and you don't expect the youth them to live in a certain kind of house. So no mad, no piss. Because you no alone for scam. It's only the rich people them and the elite of Jamaica supposed to scam in a corruption and make money. You know the biggest scammer out there. But you know I use the youth them as scapegoat. That's why enough of you know hold the youth them and take with the youth them money. You know see it? Because you don't want the youth them to live no life. You don't want the youth them to live like a croft. You know alone for thief and scam. You know see it? The Prime Minister of Jamaica is the same as the little youth them out there what them say a chap. Because as a public figures or as a public figure, why you choose to go and open an offshore account in St. Lucia, knowing that an offshore account deal with criminal activities, knowing that an offshore account is a place for criminal activities, safe haven for criminal, but yet still you have no problem with it. You understand? But the average Jamaican, them not going to understand what we are talking or where we're getting at. Them go look on you as partisan and you this and you that. But I will challenge you to go and try to get awareness So what I mean, and the only way you're gonna get awareness is through reading and research. And if you are not allowing yourself for that kind of challenge, you will always live with your filthy concept and your toxic and your clog mentality. Because that's all you can see, that's all you know. Challenge yourself, man. But as I said before, brethren, Prime Minister of Jamaica and him cronies them are the same as the little youth them out there who chop the line. Prime Minister, they are the same thing, and him cronies them. Think about it, look into it, people. Anyway, you don't know in a aromatic realistic TV. Until then, we chat again. Much love. Corruption, criminality is at its best. Much love.